Hello students, today we will discuss the exercise 3.2 divisibility rule. In this exercise we discuss the divisibility rule. The first rule is divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its one digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Means one's place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. For example, 1472. Here the one's place is 2. 2 is divisible by 2. So this number is divisible by 2. 564, 428, 740. The ones place 480. 480 is divisible by 2. Yes. So these numbers are divisible by 2. Next is divisible by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. For example, 7563. According to this definition, the sum of the digit 7563 digits, the sum 7 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3, 21. 21 is divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3. So 7563 is also divisible by 3. The next is divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digit tens or ones place is divisible by 4. For example, 2076. Here the last two digit is 76 and 76 is divisible by 4 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 4. 19 fours are 76. It is divisible by 4. So this number is 2076 is divisible by 4. The fourth is divisible by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if its one digit is 0 or 5. For example, 6280. The ones place 0. 475. The ones place 5. 0 or 5. The ones place 0 and 5. So this number is divisible by 5. Next is divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. 2 and 3 both. For example, 43542. 43,542 is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2 because the ones place is 2, so it is divisible by 2. Now we will check it is divisible by 3. So according to the rule of divisibility by 3, we add the digit 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2. 18 is divisible by 3. Yes, 18 is divisible by 3. So 43,542 is divisible by 6. 3 and 2 are satisfied. Divisibility rule 2 and 3 satisfied. So this number is divisible by 6. 6 is divisible by 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the last digit and the number formed by the rest of the digit is either 0 or a multiple of 7. For example, 3675. Last digit is, according to this definition, last digit 5. 367 minus double of the twice of the last. Twice of the last means multiply 2. 2 multiply 5. 367 minus 10 is equal to 357. 357 is divisible by 7. So this number 3675 is also divisible by 7. Divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the formed by its last three digit is divisible by 8, 6, 6328. The number is 6328. The last three digit 328. 328 which is divisible by 8. So 6328 is also divisible by 8. Divisible by 9. The rule of divisible by 9. If the sum of its digit is divisible by 9, so number is divisible by 9. For example, 3654. 36054. 36,054. According to this definitions, sum of its digit 3 plus 6 plus 0, 5 plus 4, 18. 18 is divisible by 9 or not? 18 is divisible by 9. So 36,054 is also divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if the digit at one's place of the number is 0. The numbers 790, 86,680. The one's place is 0. So these numbers are divisible by 10. Divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of digit at odd places, not odd number, odd places, and the sum of digit at even places is either 0 or multiple of 11. 11, 22, 33, 44, so on. Now this number is 61809. This is a 1 place, 2, 3 place, 4 place, 5 place. Now we odd places. Odd places here. 1 is odd place, 3 is odd place, and 5 is odd place. 5 is odd place. Odd place 9, and 3 is odd place. Value of 3 is 8. Now 1 is odd place 6, and there 9 plus 8 plus 6 23. Even places 2 and 4. 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 1. According to this definition, odd places minus even places. Odd places 23 minus even places 1, 22. 22, it is divisible by 11. So 61,809 is also divisible by 11. Thank you.